and welcome to Read Aloud Books. Our today's book is Pete the Kitty. Ready, set, go-kart. Pete loves go-karts. Go-karts go fast. Pete wants to make a go-kart. He will make the fastest one. Pete looks for a box. He finds an old wooden box. This is perfect, he says. Pete sits in the box. Zoom, Pete says, but he can't see the road. Something is missing. You need a seat, says Bob. Pete and Bob look for a seat. Bob finds an old chair. The chair is perfect. They put the seat in the go-kart. Pete sits in the go-kart. Zoom, says Pete, but the go-kart does not go. Something is missing. You need wheels, says Callie. Pete, Bob, and Callie look for wheels. Callie finds an old wagon. The wheels are perfect. They put the wheels on the go-kart. The go-kart rolls a little. Zoom, Pete says. But Pete's go-kart is slow. Something is missing. You will go fast if you go down a hill, says Callie. Pete and his pals look for a hill. Callie finds a tall hill. Bob finds a taller hill. Pete finds the tallest hill. Pete and his pals push the go-kart up the hill. Ready, set, wait, says Pete. Something is missing, says Pete. What? Asks Bob. The go-kart has a box. The go-kart has a seat. The go-kart has wheels. My go-kart needs cool colors, says Pete. Pete paints cool lines on the go-kart. Now Pete is ready to go fast. Ready, set, go! The go-kart starts to roll. It rolls down the big hill. Pete's go-kart goes fast. His go-kart goes faster. Zoom, says Pete. His go-kart is the fastest. Pete's pals cheer. You did it, Pete. No, says Pete. We did it. Pete loves his new go-kart, but he loves his pals most of all. The end. Thank you for watching, and if you want us to read more books, then don't forget to subscribe.